Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my VB planner, and I'm going to be planning for the week of April 11th through the 17th. So I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I have pulled again my Belltown VB sticker kit. And this week I have pulled my stickers from the VB kit Belltown. This was the kit for March. And I've also pulled the washi, as well as maybe I'll use the sticker pack or the sticky notes. Not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put these back on the disc. So I really love the stickers in this kit. I love the colors. I love the colors of this kit. So let's see what it looks like on the disc. All right. I like it. I like it. And I don't know if you can see, but I got this idea from one of the ladies in the Villabeautifful Facebook group using this timed washi tape as a bulleted list. So I'm not sure if you all can see that. Let's see if I can put it in focus. So yeah, so I created a list on both pages. Here at the bottom and here. So I love it. I love how it turned out. All right, and my VB kit pen is here somewhere. Here she is. This is Belltown, and I'm just gonna go with that one this week. I don't think I'm gonna add anything to it. I think I just like the way that gray looks with the spread. So all right, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.